Uone mmoja pale akitoa mwingine unapata pikipiki uende kwa nyingine, upande pikipiki uende kwa nyingine, hapana.
Singaki abagavana kurwachi county bagendete n'imirimo yabo boigo ase county ya Embu. Omugavana Cecily Mbarire nigo akuleire wizara yobochenu ase aenekiribuna naki abakori emirimo kurwa ase wizara yo babeire bakuiba amaligo kurwa ase chinyagitari na boigo konya guchia ase chikemesti wana nigo arure egekuro egetindi asate biribuna onde bwensiora chigotokikana n'elimo chelio nanyareko bakagwimukirigwa egetambukiro tindi anigo ayakwana chingaki aleterwa amaliogo y'echishiringi chimilioni 19 ase enyagitari enene ya Embu level 5.
We must ensure that the medications we get, the non-pharmaceutical supplies we get, whether they are gloves or bandages or cotton or whatever consumable that we have, is used for the purpose it's supposed to be used and used within the facility of Embu level 5 and not outside. And therefore, I want to give notice to those members of staff who've been assisting and aiding in stealing medical supplies from level 5 hospital to chemists and pharmacies and other private hospitals in Embu County. Your days are numbered.